Hi, welcome back to AC Cooper Writes. Glad to have you here. If you haven't already, please click to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And that way you'll be notified of future videos. Sorry for the long time since I've uploaded. I have been doing stuff on my blog, and if you didn't know that, my blog is down below. I'll put a link to it. Things are pretty much, well, hold on, hold the phone. I gotta turn off the car. It's a little chilly. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, I've been uploading stuff to my blog, working on a short story, downloaded a free trial of Scrivener, and at first glance I really like it. I always thought it was just for plotters, but actually you can use it as a pantser. There's not a whole lot of stuff out there about how to do that, so if I get to where I use it, if I actually finally decide, if I decide I'm going to buy it, then I will definitely create a video showing you how to use it. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy it or not, so don't hold me to that. But anyway, let's see what's going on in my writer world. Well, I'm getting better at getting the writing habit going, which is good. Yeah. This weekend, I plan to, that's what I was going to share with you guys, I plan on making audio versions of the stories I've already uploaded to Amazon and other bookstores. And if you haven't seen my books, I'll also put links to those below in case you're interested. They're short stories. I don't have any novels yet, but I'm sure I'll get there. So, yeah. I wanted to do audio versions just to get my feet wet. There's a great masterclass, well, a free webinar, I should say, that was put on by Derek, I don't know how to say his last name, Depker. He did it with Nick Stevenson, about how to make your own audiobooks and upload them to sites like what's that one? Audiobox or whatever. Anyway, I forget. But that's what I was going to do, is record some audio of my short stories. And that would be another option for people if they prefer audiobooks as opposed to just reading an ebook. They would have that. I may do, actually I probably will do written print editions. So in case anybody would prefer print. These are going to be short stories, so I don't know how much that's going to be as far as, but I don't know. I know there's one collection of little flash fiction and stuff that I put together that would be okay, I think, to create, I don't know. All my stories are kind of weird. I guess because I'm weird, I don't know. They're kind of in the speculative fiction realm. So, I don't know if I could create a, what's the word? Collection? I can't think of the word. I don't know. These are some things that's going on in my world. So, that's all. I just wanted to update you guys on that. And if you guys have any tips or have come across any resources, would be great. You can share it in the comments below. So I'm hoping that I'm gonna probably document this as I go, and so that way you can see how it worked for me. And so that means I'm gonna have to be at my computer, not sitting here in my car. So be on the lookout for some more of those videos. That's what I'm gonna be doing this weekend. They're not that long, so it shouldn't take me that long theoretically. But this is me we're talking about. So Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please click like and hit the notification bell, as I said earlier, and subscribe. Let me know what's been going on in your writer world. Catch you next time, and as I say, writers write. Oh, and that's something else I'm going to be doing this weekend too, is write. Work on more short stories. So have an awesome day, and we will catch you next time.